under the glow of the harvest moon. A quiet hymn hums soft in tune. The earth sighs, the night blooms. Golden fields stretch far and wide, whispering secrets they cannot hide. The moon's a lantern hung so high, a silver watcher in the sky. Every stalk, every grain, a story to tell of summer's toil, the sun's farewell. We gather the gifts, the blessings that grew